into action.
Alright, so it's been a day. The GoPro is stuck to my helmet right now, but I think we are gonna head out.
Yeah.
This is a nice last stop. It is gorgeous. Hopefully the GoPro picks it up, but if we don't head home soon, it's gonna get pretty cold. So the sun's going down, we're just gonna jet home. So cheers.
This thing on. Hello, we're up and running. Okay, so Theo and I are taking the Shadow up to Shenandoah National Park. Right now is a great time of the year because the leaves are all changing and they're bright and vibrant in color. So right now we are taking a stretch break, grab some snacks. We're gonna head up into the park. We plan to do the whole thing.
Yeah, so the park is like, I think 105 miles total. So we're starting on the north end. We're gonna try to ride up all the way to Skyland, which is where they have the gas station, because if you don't get gas and you get stuck up there, you're gonna be in trouble. But yeah, so we're just gonna try to go up there, maybe set up the hammock. If we do have time, we'll do the whole park and come back the same way. If not, we're just gonna leave from the highway on the other side. So we'll see where it takes us, man. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful right now. The leaves are falling and we haven't gone this season yet up to Shenandoah just to go riding in general. So this is gonna be a good, you know, like being outside. So
Yeah.
no hiking though, no hiking. We're not gonna do any hikes this time around.
How's it going?
You got a park pass?
I do, it's in my pocket. Get it out?
Yeah.
I got you, I got you.
You'll never get it with gloves on.
Right, exactly. Make sure this doesn't lean back. I was surprised you guys only had one lane open, sir. There you go.
It hasn't been that busy.
Okay.
All right, sir. Center lane.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while.
Okay, so the hammock is set up. We're about to have lunch. It's about 2:30 right now, and we're in a nook where there's not a lot of people that comes to the overlook. So this is where I usually come up to, and the hammock fits perfectly because there are two big trees right there that you can just, you know, anchor the hammock to. So what are we having for lunch, babe?
Courtesy of 7-Eleven, we have the option of the Italian job and an American sub.
Italian job?
Yeah, Italian job includes ham, salami, provolone cheese, pepperoni, Italian style seasoned mayonnaise, and pepperoncini on a sub roll.
Pepperoncini? What the heck is a pepper?
I can't pronounce the word, okay? And then the American sub, ham, American cheese, salami, pickles, my favorite, reduced fat mayonnaise, and mustard on sub roll.
Sounds yummy.
So you have your pick.
Alright.
And I saw the angels coming down, and they sang.
Our trip is sponsored by Purified Drinking Water, 7-Eleven, Simple Snacks, and Duke's Hot and Spicy.
My guide and let me follow. Can I hold your hand for old time's sake? And all this time you waited for me. Little did we know, I guess it's fate. Now all is in our hands. All is in our hands.
been a day. The GoPro is stuck to my helmet right now, but I think we are gonna head out.
Yeah.
This is a nice last stop. It is gorgeous. Hopefully the GoPro picks it up, but if we don't head home soon, it's gonna get pretty cold. So the sun's going down. We're just gonna jet home. So cheers.